Making homemade pasta sauce from scratch can take hours, but not in a pressure cooker. Join me as I use my pressure cooker to make homemade sauce for the very first time. Here are all the ingredients. I will put the full list in the description below. I'm going to be challenging myself tonight to cook dinner from scratch in 20 minutes. On tonight's menu is going to be spaghetti squash and impossible meat. I'm making a homemade sauce for the very first time. We're in this thing together. All right, so we're going to start off by putting some holes in this spaghetti squash. It's going to release the pressure. And it's going to cook in a microwave for maybe about 10 minutes. Initially, I started at 8.5 minutes and increased the time as necessary. These are my 4 amigos right here. I dropped them into some vegetable broth along with some other seasoning. I add my cherry tomatoes and some grape tomatoes. Stir. Half a pack of Impossible Italian sausage and half a pack of Impossible ground beef. Cook down for 15 minutes. Then to release the pressure, you run under cold water. And voila, you have instant pasta sauce. But I don't like thickness, so I'm going to have to break the meat and the tomatoes down. And I use a food processor to do that, to smooth it out. If you like it chunky, leave it the way it was. But I like mine smooth and silky. And let me tell y'all about this spaghetti squash. If you're trying to cut calories and you're trying to watch your carbs, then you need to switch to spaghetti squash. The texture is just like spaghetti. But you got to take out those seeds now. And you can take those seeds and you can roast them later. Look at that. I'm getting my plate ready. But I made so much I could meal prep, y'all. Put it in the freezer for a later date. Do that. Works out perfect. Doesn't it look so savory? Y'all know y'all want to go ahead and make some. Meal prep is now complete. Now it's time to taste this sauce, y'all. I cannot wait. Y'all were here with me every step of the way. Let's see. But I'm going to try it. Right in. Hold on. I got some good flavor. Okay. It's just not thick. The flavor is definitely there. Thanks for hanging out with me.